Hello friends, welcome to our Premium Institute channel. Friends, आज इस वीडियो में हम कवर करेंगे मोस्ट एक्सपेक्टेड केमिस्ट्री MCQ for our upcoming SSC and other competitive exams. Let's start the video. Atomic number of an element represents A. Number of neutrons, B. Number of protons, C. Number of electrons, D. Number of nucleons. Answer B. Number of protons. RDX, a chemical compound, is used as an A. Reactor, B. Compost, C. Explosive, D. None of these. Answer C. Explosive. Which foam is used as a vegetable preservative? A. Polyurethanes, B. Polyurethane, C. Polyurethanes, D. None of these. Answer A. Polyurethanes. Rusting of iron is an example of A. Reduction, B. Oxidation, C. Neutralization, D. Decomposition. Answer B. Oxidation. The composition of soap comprises of A. Sodium salt with fatty acids, B. Sodium and potassium salt mixed with chemicals, C. Potassium salt with fatty acids, D. Both A and C. Answer D. Both A and C. The process that takes place in the galvanic cell is A. Chemical energy is transformed into nuclear energy, B. Nuclear energy is transformed into electrical energy, C. Chemical energy is transformed into electrical energy, D. None of these. Answer C. Chemical energy is transformed into electrical energy. Which gas is used in fire extinguishers? A. Oxygen, B. Nitrogen, C. Carbon dioxide, D. Hydrogen. Answer C. Carbon dioxide. BOD. Biochemical oxygen demand of safe drinking water must be parts per million, ppm. A. 0, B. 50, C. 100, D. 200. Answer A. 0. The substance which decreases the rate of or prevents a reaction while remaining chemically and quantitatively unchanged after the reaction is called A. Reactor, B. Catalyst, C. Moderator, D. Inhibitor. Answer D. Inhibitor. LPG mainly contains A. Methane, B. Propane and butane, C. Ethane, D. CO2. Answer B. Propane and butane. What is the full chemical name of alum? A. Potassium aluminum sulfate, B. Magnesium aluminum sulfate, C. Calcium aluminum sulfate, D. Sodium aluminum sulfate. Answer A. Potassium aluminum sulfate. Which is the most commonly used chemical in mouthwash? A. Sodium benzoate, B. Sodium iodide, C. Hydrogen peroxide, D. Calcium carbide. Answer C. Hydrogen peroxide. Which metal is liquid at room temperature? A. Sodium, B. Mercury, C. Aluminum, D. Iron. Answer B. Mercury. What is the chemical name of white vitriol? A. Copper sulfate, B. Zinc sulfate, C. Magnesium sulfate, D. Potassium sulfate. Answer B. Zinc sulfate. Stainless steel is an alloy of A. Iron and copper, B. Iron, chromium and nickel, C. Aluminum and zinc, D. Copper and tin. Answer B. Iron, chromium and nickel. What is the chemical name of caustic potash? A. Potassium hydroxide, B. Manganese hydroxide, C. Ferrous hydroxide, D. Phosphorus hydroxide. Answer A. Potassium hydroxide. The chemical substance which is used as a flux in the extraction of iron from its oxide or A. Silica, B. Limestone, C. Phosphorus pentoxide, D. Magnesium sulfate. Answer B. Limestone. Carbon is tetravalent because it has 2 valence electrons, B. 3 valence electrons, C. 4 valence electrons, D. 5 valence electrons. Answer C. 4 valence electrons. The chemical substance tungsten which is used in a bulb has A. High melting point, B. Low melting point, C. High density, D. Low density. Answer A. High melting point. Which are the chemicals with characteristic odors commonly used in synthetic flavors, perfumes, and cosmetics? A. Carboxylic acid, B. Ester, C. Ketone, D. Aldehyde. Answer B. Ester. Which acid is present in tomato? A. Oxalic acid, B. Citric acid, C. Acetic acid, D. Formic acid. Answer A. Oxalic acid. What is the chemical name of laughing gas? A. Dinitrogen monoxide, B. Trinitrogen dioxide, C. Dinitrogen dioxide, D. None of the above. Answer A. Dinitrogen monoxide. Nitric acid is also called A. Oil of vitriol, B. Aqua fortis, C. Vinegar acid, D. Blue vitriol. Answer B. Aqua fortis. A generator converts A. Mechanical energy into electrical energy, B. Electrical energy into chemical energy, C. Thermal energy into electrical energy, D. Electrical energy into light energy. Answer A. Mechanical energy into electrical energy. What is the chemical name given of chalk? A. Calcium sulfate, B. Calcium nitrate, C. Calcium carbonate, D. Calcium phosphide. Answer C. Calcium carbonate. Most abundant metal in earth crust is A. Iron, B. Aluminum, C. Copper, D. Zinc. Answer B. Aluminum. To decrease the basicity of soil, which chemical is used? A. Magnesium, B. Sodium, C. Gypsum, D. Alum. Answer C. Gypsum. Blue color of sapphire is due to A. Iron and titanium, B. Chromium, C. Copper, D. Zinc. Answer A. Iron and titanium. What is the chemical name of galena? A. Silver sulfide, B. Lead sulfide, C. Zinc sulfide, D. Ferrous sulfide. Answer B. Lead sulfide. The gas used for artificial ripening of fruits is A. Oxygen, B. Ethylene, C. Hydrogen, D. Carbon dioxide. Answer B. Ethylene. Which chemical is mostly used to remove the permanent hardness of water? A. Manganese chloride, B. Sodium chloride, C. Ammonium chloride, D. Potassium chloride. Answer D. Potassium chloride. Which gas is used in welding? A. Oxygen and acetylene, B. Nitrogen and oxygen, C. Hydrogen and nitrogen, D. Carbon dioxide and oxygen. Answer A. Oxygen and acetylene. What is the chemical formula for zinc blende? A. ZnO, B. ZnCl, C. ZnC, D. ZNS. Answer D. ZNS. Which metal is used for galvanization of iron? A. Copper, B. Zinc. C. Aluminium. D. Silver. Answer B. Zinc. Green oxide is the array of which chemical element? A. Cadmium. B. Zirconium. C. Strontium. D. Aluminium. Answer A. Cadmium. What is the chemical name of common salt that we eat? A. Sodium bicarbonate. B. Sodium chloride. C. Sodium salicylate. D. Sodium hydroxide. Answer B. Sodium chloride. The metal used in making aircraft bodies is A. Aluminum. B. Copper. C. Iron. D. Zinc. Answer A. Aluminum. The chemical substance which have a bitter taste is A. Base. B. Acid. C. Salt. D. None of these. Answer A. Base. The chemical bond that is formed by the sharing of electrons between two atoms is called A. Ionic bond. B. Covalent bond. C. Hydrogen bond. D. None of these. Answer B. Covalent bond. Smelting is a process of A. Heating or with carbon. B. Cooling or C. Dissolving or D. Washing or Answer A. Heating or with carbon. Friends, यह important chemistry MCQ. फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको हमारा कंटेंट नॉलेजेबल लगा तो हमारी वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर करो एंड हमारे प्रीमियम इंस्टीट्यूट के चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू प्रेस बेल आइकन फॉर नोटिफिकेशन ऑफ न्यू वीडियोज. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.